Hello, can everyone hear me? Okay, so my name is Amrit and I'll be your English faculty from Buttonbot Tutorials. Last but not the least, we'll look at the revised portions for English in for 10th CBSE. So if any SSLC students are here, this is not for you, this is only for 10th CBSE students. Okay, so let's take a look at the portions. Okay, so this is your portions for English grammar, and as you can see, the syllabus has been reduced by 30%. This is the old syllabus, which I'm showing you. So while there was comprehension and writing and various grammar sections, including tenses, modals, determiners, subject word, agreement, reporting, and clauses. Now we'll take a look at the new syllabus. So this is the new syllabus. So as you can see, the three topics have been cut out, that are clauses, use of passive voice, and prepositions. These three topics have been cut out from your syllabus. And you will only have comprehension for 20 marks, writing for 10 marks, and the rest, which are the grammar section, for 10 marks. So is this clear? This is your English grammar or English language portions. Okay, now let's move on to the next section, that is English literature portions. So this is the original old syllabus where you had 11 prose chapters and 11 poems. But now in the new syllabus, they have cut out 5 chapters. One chapter, that is this 8th chapter, has been cut out from prose, and 4 poems have been cut out from poetry. If you have your English textbooks, you can make a note of this. But this session is also available in the Buttonbot app, so you can take a note later as well. So now you have only 10 chapters in prose and only 7 poems. I hope this is clear. Finally, we'll be looking at your supplement reader. So you have a supplement reader, right? That's Footprints Without Feet. In this, you have 10 chapters. But in those 10 chapters, which are in the old syllabus, 3 chapters have been cut out. So chapter number 3, 4, and 10 are cut out, and you have only 7 chapters left in the Footprints Without Feet supplementary reader for CBSE. Okay, so I hope this is clear. And are there any doubts regarding the English portions? Are the English portions clear?